How to delete friends in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete friends on Snapchat. So to do that, first of all, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, simply swipe right and then you'll be taken to the chat page. Now simply select the person whom you want to remove as a friend. So for now, I'll simply choose this person right over here. Now you'll be taken to their profile where in order to remove them as a friend, you'll have to tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Now a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to tap on the second option, which is manage friendship. Now it will basically provide you four different options. You can either report them, block them, remove them as a friend, or edit their name. So since we are here to remove them, we'll tap on the option remove friend. Now it will ask you to confirm, so tap on the option remove. And there you have it. That is basically how you remove someone as a friend on Snapchat. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.